Do you want a pair of matte black AirPods Pro instead of regular white color? Well, you can't, not at least from Apple yet. But this matte black version on my hand is actually a knockoff of the original AirPods Pro and comes from a company called Norpods. And they are calling this one the Norpods Pro. But is this headphone any good? Let's find out. Let's start with the unboxing first. As you can see, the packaging looks exactly like Apple's. However, it does not have any branding anywhere. After opening the box, you're greeted with a long piece of paper, unfolding which will tell you how to pair this with your iPhone or iPad and how to perform some basic touch gestures. Up next is the Norpods Pro itself in all its matte black glory. Then you can see the lightning charging cable that looks exactly like the real thing. Now let's try to connect this thing with my iPhone here. I am just going to unlock my phone and then open the flap of the case, and looks like it immediately picked up the headphones. This is fast. But wait a minute. The message it says is not your AirPods Pro. I really like that. I think it's very clever. Anyways, now I am just following the prompts on the screen here, which asked me to hold the button on the back for a few seconds to connect, and as you can see, it has connected already. So far it's been very impressive. Now for the big test, which is the sound quality. When I put this on, I did not have any expectation, but it did surprise me a lot. I love the bass for once in one of these cheap headphones, and let alone in a knockoff one. I mean, of course, it's not as good as Apple AirPods Pro, but it surely is better than your low to mid-range options like Soundpeats or Palm Slide or the Soundcore Anchor headphones. The voice is very clear and the treble matches and complements that thumping bass very nicely too. So all in all, I will say that I am impressed so far with the sound quality, and I'm very sure you'll be surprised too if you tried this on for the very first time. Now let's talk about the build quality for a bit. It feels very plasticky and the overall weight is lighter than the Apple AirPods Pro. From the outside, it looks very much identical, but I think a better job could have been done along the hinges on the back. There is a bit of a gap and a few rough patches. Personally, I think if the hinges were also black, it would have looked even better. Other than that, every other detail has been copied very well, like the lightning port and the button on the back and the LED on the front. On the inside, it looks very clean, and I don't have anything to complain about here. However, the earbuds themselves are a little bit disappointing when it comes to finishing. First of all, the two grills on the headphones don't even look real, plus I'm not even sure if they have any purpose at all. It seems like they have been glued in place. But even worse than the grills are the touch controls. The only thing I was able to do was call Siri. Other than that, I could not change tracks, increase or decrease volume. And that means I also could not test if the Norpods Pro actually have a transparency mode or not, or how good is the noise cancellation feature, because they are advertising this on their website. Now, is the Norpods Pro worth it? It costs 99 US dollars on their website, which is round about 150 US dollars less than the actual AirPods Pro. And that's why I think I can put them in the low to mid-range budget headphones category. At this price point, I have not seen a single headphone that integrates this well with the iPhone. But even after such smooth pairing, the connection was not the most stable. Especially the right earbud keeps dropping off for a second and then coming back on again, which is annoying, but the saving grace again is the sound quality. It has fast charging and wireless charging. The battery life is also very good. The earbuds can provide 4 hours of juice and another 24 hours with the case, but it all depends on how you use them. So, considering all the flaws and the advantages, I think I can rate this as average and would not be a bad purchase if you're thinking of getting it. So anyways guys, this is Nafis from TechnoBiz signing off till next video. Check out some of my other videos if you like this one. Peace!